How to turn on or turn off call bearing all incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Phone App and click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down and click on Supplementary Services. After click on Supplementary Services, after the process, click on call bearing. After click on call bearing, you will see after the process. So if you want to turn on call bearing all incoming calls, so if you want to turn on, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see call bearing all incoming call is turned on. If you want to turn off all incoming calls, so turn off this button. You will see all incoming call is turned off. You will turn on or turn off all incoming calls from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call bearing all incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.